Some SUVs look like a great deal until you realize they're draining your bank account every single month. We're talking expensive repairs, reliability issues, and cars that lose value faster than you expect. In this video, we're exposing 8 SUVs that are a total waste of money in 2026. And trust me, the last one might surprise you. Let's get into it. Number 8. Volkswagen Tegan. The Volkswagen Tegan looks like a smart choice. It's stylish, feels premium, and comes at a reasonable price compared to other European SUVs. But once you live with it, things start to change. Owners frequently report electrical issues from sensors failing to infotainment systems glitching out randomly. While these might seem like small annoyances at first, they quickly become expensive to fix. You're driving normally, and suddenly a warning light pops up. You take it to the garage expecting a quick fix, but instead get hit with a much higher bill than expected. The electrical problems don't stop there. Many owners report issues with parking sensors, adaptive cruise control malfunctioning, and problems with automatic emergency braking. These aren't just inconveniences, they're safety concerns that can cost hundreds or thousands to diagnose and repair. Because it's a Volkswagen, parts and labor costs aren't cheap. Number 7. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape is marketed as a reliable, everyday SUV. It's supposed to be practical, comfortable, and easy to live with. But for many owners, it becomes unpredictable. There have been numerous reports of engine issues, coolant leaks, and transmission hesitation, problems that can appear without much warning. You might be driving to work one day with no issues, and the next day, something feels off. Before you know it, you're dealing with a costly repair. Number 6. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is everywhere. It's one of the most popular SUVs on the road, which makes it feel like a safe choice. But popularity doesn't always mean reliability. The biggest concern with the Rogue has been its CVT transmission. These transmissions are known for premature failure, and when they fail, they often need full replacement rather than a simple repair. We're not talking about a small fix. This can cost thousands. The CVT problems typically manifest as jerking, hesitation, or complete loss of power while driving. Number 5. Jeep Compass. Jeep has built its reputation on ruggedness and reliability, but the Compass doesn't quite live up to that image. Many owners report poor build quality, electrical issues, and a driving experience that just doesn't feel refined. It lacks power, feels sluggish, and struggles to compete with others in the same price range. The biggest issue is inconsistency. Some owners have relatively smooth experiences while others deal with repeated problems from early on. The interior materials feel cheap and wear poorly over time. Dashboard rattles, seat fabric that pills and tears easily, and trim pieces that come loose are common complaints. The infotainment system is slow and prone to freezing, requiring hard resets that shouldn't be necessary. Number 4. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox seems like a safe, sensible option. It's not flashy. It's not extreme. Just a normal, practical SUV, but sometimes it's the safe options that hide the biggest problems. Owners have reported engine issues, excessive oil consumption, and turbo-related failures. The tricky part is that these problems don't always show up immediately. At first, everything might seem fine, but over time, these issues start creeping in, and when they do, they're not cheap to fix. Number 3. Ford Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport came in with a lot of hype. It looks rugged, adventurous, and ready for anything. But the reality hasn't fully matched the image. There have been reports of engine issues, overheating, and fuel injector problems. In some cases, even concerns around fire risks. Imagine planning a road trip or off-road adventure, but instead of enjoying the drive, you're worried about reliability. The 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine shared with the Escape brings similar problems to the Bronco Sport. Number 2. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. On paper, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid sounds perfect, a practical family vehicle with better fuel efficiency and modern features. But in reality, it has been plagued with issues. The hybrid system itself has reliability concerns, including sudden shutdowns. And even more worrying, there have been multiple recalls related to fire risks. A family vehicle, something you rely on daily, with safety concerns. That's a serious problem. The hybrid battery system has proven problematic, with some owners experiencing complete system failures that require expensive replacement. Number 1. Infiniti QX50. This is the one that surprises most people. The Infiniti QX50 is marketed as a luxury SUV, but underneath it shares a lot with the Nissan Rogue, including the same engine concept and transmission setup. So, what are you really getting? A more expensive version of the same potential problems. Owners report engine concerns, transmission issues, and reliability complaints that simply don't match the price tag. The variable compression engine, while technologically impressive, has proven troublesome in practice. The complex mechanism that adjusts compression ratios is prone to failure and extremely expensive to repair. Many owners report engine vibrations, rough idling, and poor fuel economy despite the advanced technology. The CVT transmission carries over the same issues found in the Rogue, but at a luxury price point. When you pay more, you expect peace of mind and a smooth, reliable experience, but instead, many owners end up dealing with the same headaches, just at a higher cost. That's what makes this the biggest waste of money on this list. At the end of the day, the real cost of a car isn't just what you pay up front. It's the repairs, the breakdowns, and the stress over time. And these SUVs fail where it matters most. So, before you make your next purchase, take your time, do your research, and think long term. Because the wrong decision can cost you far more than you expect. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which one surprised you the most? I'll see you in the next one.